If you're in the market for a used SUV right now, there's a strong chance you'll end up overpaying, not because better options aren't available, but because reliable vehicles, like Toyotas, come at a premium. This has created a curious situation. Some SUVs priced around $8,000 can match Toyotas in durability and performance, yet they're largely overlooked. So, ask yourself, are you prioritizing durability or comfort? Why are dependable vehicles being ignored? Who benefits when reputation goes unquestioned? And what happens when the market finally notices? Take the Ford Edge, for example. Many dismiss the name until they look under the hood. The 2011 to 2014 Edge with the 3.5-liter V6 occupies a unique blind spot where reputation overshadows actual performance and pricing drops, for the wrong reasons. This wasn't an experimental vehicle, it's a mainstream SUV built during a brief period when Ford focused on simplicity over trends. The Edge avoided turbocharging entirely and paired its naturally aspirated six-cylinder engine with a conventional six-speed automatic. While competitors pursued CVTs and downsized turbo engines, this setup remained predictable, reliable, and mechanically transparent. The 3.5-liter Duratec V6 had already proven itself in millions of miles across sedans, crossovers, and fleet vehicles. It delivers smooth power above 280 horsepower, making highway driving effortless, even when loaded. What truly sets it apart is the way power is delivered. No turbo lag, no heat buildup, and no complex cooling systems. High-mileage examples often surpass 200,000 miles with their original engines and transmissions. Failures tend to be minor and predictable rather than catastrophic. Suspension parts, bearings, and sensors may age, but the core mechanics remain intact. Inside, the Edge reflects an era before cost-cutting stripped interiors. Seats are wide and supportive. Noise is muted, the ride is comfortable, and the cabin favors functionality over style. Despite these strengths, it sells cheaply because Ford's brand perception suffered due to unrelated models. Clean examples trade for $5,000 to $7,000, often less, while similar Toyotas cost twice as much. Easy maintenance, widely available parts, and straightforward servicing further reduce long-term ownership stress. Next, let's consider the Nissan Armada. Its imposing size often turns people away, which is probably why this SUV has sort of slipped under the radar. The 2008 to 2012 Armada is a rare combination of size, strength, and, honestly, mechanical honesty. Built on a body-on-frame platform that comes from Nissan's full-size trucks, it's engineered to carry weight, absorb punishment, and endure years of use. Its 5.6-liter naturally aspirated V8 prioritizes durability over fuel efficiency, and it's paired with a traditional automatic transmission instead of a CVT, which helps it avoid some common failure points. Output exceeds 300 horsepower, but, the real advantage here is the low-end torque, which allows it to handle heavy loads towing, and even steep inclines without a lot of strain. Globally, this platform has proven itself in harsh environments, though high fuel consumption did limit its appeal in suburban markets. The interior is practical and robust, with upright seating, large controls, and really excellent visibility. Depreciation hit hard, making clean Armadas available for $7,000 to $9,000, which is far below their actual capability. With proper maintenance, engines and transmissions routinely surpass 200,000 miles, and rust or suspension wear are usually the main causes of aging. Finally, there's the Subaru Outback 3.6R, produced from 2010 to 2014, and it quietly contradicts a lot of the common assumptions about Subaru. It's not fragile or experimental, and it actually avoids the issues that harmed Subaru's reputation in the past. Its EZ36 flat-six engine is naturally aspirated, thermally stable, and free from those chronic head gasket issues. Paired with a traditional 5-speed automatic, it steers clear of the durability problems you sometimes see with CVTs. Gear shifts are smooth, predictable, and mechanically simple, which really contributes to long-term reliability. Power output is right around 256 horsepower, delivered evenly across the rev range without any turbo lag or sudden surges. The symmetrical all-wheel drive system offers consistent traction, designed for challenging conditions rather than just convenience. Interiors put comfort, visibility, and driver confidence above flashy design, and they really do age gracefully over a decade of use. Depreciation has kept prices reasonable, since demand never fully matched its capabilities, creating excellent value for long-term